do you do when your focus on the studies is low? Yeah, when I have like outside of the streams, then I go for a walk, I go for a run. When I like, okay, I have to now concentrate, and then I switch quickly the topic. For example, if I'm stuck on something, I would say this is actually a big problem from my side. Then I can only tell you guys. Sorry, I had something in my throat. That I can only tell you guys that you should avoid. I'm sometimes stuck on problems. For example, in law, it was a big issue of mine that when I don't find a solution, my body doesn't want to go on. You know, like I then waste for like 3 hours of my time on this topic, even though I could close it maybe for 20 minutes, do something else, and then go on with my topic afterwards, you know. But I'm really catch myself being on one topic because I have the feeling I can't go on if I don't finish it now. Now, in most of the cases, I can actually go on. And in most of the cases, it's just my brain who can't give up on stuff. And sometimes it's good to give up on that small thing, you know. So this is what I can recommend. So start if you lack with concentration or like stuck on a problem, do that, I would say, you know. Can you give me some advice? I join time and plan, but the next day I don't do anything, I just keep watching reels. If you like really try to, first of all, the biggest thing obviously like delete the app, but if you can find a way of just putting your phone in a position where you are not easily get it all the time, you know. Maybe don't wake up with it. Try to go to work instantly. Try to do something productive instantly, like, or do some sports so you get motivated to do some work, because it's all about, I think, finding a good rhythm, to be honest, you know.